Today we're reviewing the ViewSonic LS740HD, a high-brightness 5000 lumens laser projector designed for auditoriums, conference rooms, classrooms, churches, and large multi-purpose halls. If you need strong brightness, long-lasting laser performance, and professional-level installation features, this model is built exactly for you. Let's start with image quality. The LS740HD delivers full HD 1080p resolution, giving you crisp detail for presentations, videos, lectures, and large format visuals. With 5000 nsi lumens, the image stays bright even in fully lit environments, perfect for daytime presentations or bright educational spaces. Colors are enhanced by ViewSonic's super color technology, providing deeper contrast, better saturation, and more realistic color tones. Now the star feature, laser phosphor light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, this laser engine offers up to 30,000 hours of life with consistent brightness and zero lamp replacements. This means lower maintenance cost and reliable performance for years. The projector supports 1.3x optical zoom, giving you more flexibility when mounting or adjusting throw distance. You also get professional-grade alignment tools including horizontal and vertical keystone, 4-corner adjustment, 360-degree projection capability, portrait mode support. These features make installation effortless, even in tricky placements such as angled ceilings, off-center mounts, or large hall setups. In terms of connectivity, the LS740HD includes HDMI ports, USB power output, LAN control, RS-232, and compatibility with major control systems. It integrates smoothly into school networks, meeting rooms, and AV setups. The fan noise is low thanks to ViewSonic's smart cooling design, which maintains stable performance even during long sessions. Because of its high brightness and long throw capability, this projector is ideal for auditoriums and lecture halls, conference and board rooms, classrooms and training centers, churches and religious gatherings, large home theater setups. Anywhere you need a bright, durable, professional-grade display. The LS740HD also supports instant on/off, so there's no warm-up or cool-down time like traditional lamp projectors. This saves time and reduces downtime during classes, meetings, or events. If you're looking for a powerful laser projector that can handle large spaces, deliver brilliant brightness, and survive years of daily use without maintenance headaches, the ViewSonic LS740HD is easily one of the top choices in its price bracket. Today we're reviewing the ViewSonic LS740HD, a high-brightness 5000 lumens laser projector designed for auditoriums, conference rooms,